Welcome. If you're looking to find all your communities on Roblox using the latest web update on PC, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through each step so you can easily access and manage every community you've joined or created. First, open your preferred browser and head to roblox.com. Make sure you're logged into your Roblox account to get started. Once you're in, take a look at the left side of your screen. You'll see a menu with several options. Find and click on the one labeled More. This is where Roblox has tucked away some of its newer features, including the updated Communities section. After clicking More, a new set of options will appear. Here, select Communities. This section is dedicated to all the groups and communities you're a part of on Roblox. It's your hub for discovering, joining, and managing communities that match your interests. Inside the Communities page, you'll see a list of all the communities you've joined or created. To see more details about each community, look for the small arrow, or the caret symbol, next to the community's name. Click on this arrow to expand the menu. This reveals more information and options for that specific community, letting you view members, check out activities, or manage your settings if you're an admin. Repeat this for each community listed to quickly browse through everything you're involved in. With this update, finding and managing your Roblox communities is now simpler and more organized than ever. And that's it. By following these steps, opening Roblox in your browser, clicking More, entering the Communities section, and using the drop-down arrows, you'll have a complete view of all your communities in just a few clicks. Stay connected, join new groups, and make the most of what Roblox communities have to offer. Thanks for watching, and happy exploring.